Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Wig Wednesday. I will be reviewing this cutie here, Dominican Blowout Relaxed by OUTRE, and it's a half wig. And I have it in the color 1B30. Okay, and it's heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I couldn't hardly see it. Let's see, who is this? Alright, so it's in the yaki texture. See that? And I have the Dominican Blowout straight wig. I've reviewed it a couple times. This is the Dominican Blowout Relaxed. Oh Lord, I'm so sick of this phone ringing. Hello? Okay, I don't know. I keep being disturbed. Okay, Amber's on her way. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure what I showed you or what I told you. This is the Dominican Blowout Relaxed hair, and it looks like this. And I have it in the color 1B30. So it has subtle highlights of the number 30. Oops. And it got some body to it. And it's in the yaki texture. And it looks like blown out black girl hair. Looks just like it. I'm going to measure it so I can tell you how long it is. And I always measure from this very last weft in the back. I'm dropping it all on the floor. Okay. Let me see. So, 20 inches long. So that would be the hanging length. So let me show you the specifics of this wig. Like I said, it's a half wig. It has a long comb at the top. See that? It has a thin weft. Look at that. It's very thin. So it's easy to comb some of your hair over it and blend it with this hair. It has two adjustable straps. Let me hook that one. It has a comb at the back with the tag. Light and airy wig cap. And this should fit everybody's head because it's a half wig. So it fits on the half of your wig. Half of your head up here. So it needs a lot of brushing out because I've been dropping it. Brush it. This looks longer than it is. What did I say it was? 22? I don't know. I'm going to spray it with some. It has a nice natural sheen to it. It actually looks shinier than it is on the camera and the lights. Because just looking at it, it's just a natural sheen. I'm going to spray some wig shine on it. Oil-free wig shine by VIA. Via. Because I like my hair to shine some. Not to look artificial, but to nice sheen. Okay. Let it permeate for a minute. And it smells good. I'm going to brush it some more. Okay. Let's put it on. I'm going to wear one of these jelly headbands. And I just got my own hair, combed straight back and a little bun. Really is a tucked under ponytail braid. thingamajig. I like the long combs at the top. Some of these new ones, they have the 2 combs, one here and one here. But I like the one long one. I like it best. Right now I'm pushing this tucked under ponytail up. And I'm tucking this comb up under it. And it would look better if my hair were the same color as this, but it'd be alright. Okay, I'm using the big bobby pins. One at each ear. I'm going to pull the wig as close to the ear as possible and just pin it. I've been doing this for years, y'all. No matter how secure the wig feels, that's what I do. I should have braided this braid a little tighter, because my hair might be sticking out. Okay, I can feel this bun sticking out. Now I'm going to pull this headband up. Put it right over the weft. Or bumped up right up against the weft so you can't see the weft. If I had on a cloth headband, it would cover up more of my silver, my salt and pepper hair. So like I said, it'd be alright. So, it's the hair to the front. I don't know how far down y'all can see. It's boob length. Right side. Turn around. Back. Pretty and full. Left side. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So, I want to thank you for watching. And this, well, she has her wig pulled close to her hairline. And I don't see none of her hair pulled out. But it may be. But this looks really, really thick on her. But I like the way I got it. Okay, so this is Dominican Blowout Relaxed Quick Weave by OUTRE in the color 1B30. Trying to get out of the glare. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay.